Hi guys! Welcome to My Mails, the show where we read your messages and grant your music video requests.
You're with us, Boy Band PH, your mixed celebrity VJs for the month of February.
Our first message is from Jerry Ann. So, ito ang sinabi niya. Hi po! I dedicated this song sa 5 gwapo at 5 crush ko. Thank you. Closer dahil gusto kong lumapit or mapalapit sa inyo. Pwede naman. Manood ka ng mga shows namin.
Yo!
Di ko kayo sasaktan, promise. Di ka rin namin sasaktan. Kasi kami nasaktan nung Yeah. Hope to see you all soon. Sana pumunta kayo dito sa San Pedro, Laguna. God bless you all. Love, love. Thanks, Mix. Sana po mabasa po ito ng Boy Band PH. Ito na, nabasa na namin at nag-grant na namin ang wish mo. Salamat sa message mo at sana makapunta sa mga shows namin at sana makita-kita tayo dun, okay?
No.
And here is Closer by the Chainsmokers featuring Halsey.
And now, we are down to our last request from Jaja.
But before we read your message, we would like to thank all those who sent in their messages, and for those who want to send their own messages, just go to the link below.
Ngayon, ito na, mabasahin ko. Boy Band PH, thank you for existing. Ngayon, ipa-fangirl na ako. Gusto ko lang pong sabihin na sobrang galing ni kumanta.
Thank you!
At si Russell naman, sobrang galing pagdating sa technicalities ng pagkanta.
Muscle the muscle.
And grabe naman si Tristan. Lalaking lalaki. Pero magaling sumaya.
Yo! Swag!
Tapos ang cute niya rin pag-smile.
Thank you.
Tapos si Joao, yung lip bite niya, nakakapanghina ng tuhod.
Alam ko, nakakasugat ng labi.
Pero bad boy nga siya, pero mabait. Eh syempre si Ford, siya yung parang lalaking iuwi mo sa bahay. Pakilala mo sa magulang. Okay. Mukhang good boy.
Mukha lang.
Ito po yung request ko kasi idol ko po si Justin Timberlake. Thank you po, Mix. Love you, boys. More power. God bless.
Thank you.
But before we go, we would like to invite you to please grab a copy of our self-titled debut album, Boy Band PH, under Star Music, featuring our latest single, Unleash. Now available at your favorite record bars nationwide and at online music stores worldwide. You can also stream on Apple Music and Spotify.
This has been Boy Band PH, your mix celebrity VJs for February, leaving you with Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake.
Bye!